Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pan-fried steak. You will need 1 steak. For this recipe, I'll be using a porterhouse cut, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 of a shallot, fresh rosemary, and fresh thyme. Generously season the steak with your salt, pepper, and garlic powder. For this recipe, I'm using a porterhouse steak. The best steaks for frying are typically a well-marbled cut that cooks quickly and stays tender. So a ribeye, filet mignon, porterhouse, they will all do just fine for this recipe. Now rub in your seasoning, flip your steak, and repeat the process on the other side. Using high heat, bring a cast iron skillet to temperature, then add your oil. Now add your steak to the pan and allow it to cook for 3 minutes on each side. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. When you start to see searing around the edges of your steak, it's time to give it a flip. Now melt your butter. Now add your rosemary, thyme, garlic, and shallots, and continue cooking. Now spoon over your infused oils and make sure your steak has reached a safe internal temperature of 145 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft.